money makes money. Financial Literacy 101, here we go. This is a money bit. A money bit is designed to give you financial information in 1 to 2 or maybe 3 minutes. It depends how long I take. Anyway, I pity you guys. I sure do. I pity you guys. So I have a abbreviation P-I-T-I, pity. And I'm going to break it down. I got some notes here, excuse me, as I look down. Principal is the money you borrow to purchase the home. I repeat, principal is the money you borrow to purchase your home. Interest. Interest is the cost of borrowing the money from the bank. Taxes. Taxes are paid by homeowners to local governments and are usually a percentage of the assessed property value. You get that? It's usually a percentage of the assessed property value. That's your taxes. And then last, insurance. Insurance helps protect against financial loss from fire, natural disasters, or other hazards. Most lenders require you to have a homeowner's insurance policy on your home because it will help protect their investment as well as yours. If you notice, it will help their investment as well as yours, just like a car. If you don't own the car outright, they want you to pay insurance. But I pity you, right? I pity you because we need to understand those 4 things relating to a home, okay? You have your principal, you have your interest, you have your taxes, and you have your insurance. Those things you need to factor in when you're buying a home. This is Financial Literacy 101. If you notice I changed the name, let me know what you think about it in the comments. If you have a more snazzy, more funky, more catchy name for my channel, please let me know because the winner will be receiving some my old video equipment, right? And that includes some lights, some stands, maybe some gimbal arms. You'll get a couple of things in the mail and it's really going to help you out if you're starting a YouTube channel. This is the equipment I've been using for over a year now, okay? These are newer lights. That's the name of their newer lights. But anyway, Financial Literacy 101 until the name changes. I'm out.